SBET stock analysis price predictions for Sharplink Gaming. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this quick and short 1-minute video for next week to figure out, you know, whether it's going to be a buy or not and whatnot. Now, I'm not any type of wizard. All I'm doing is just sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 freaking videos. The reason why I've done this is just to collect data and also to figure out, you know, I've been trading this. I've been documenting my whole journey. That's why, because I've been documenting the journey, and especially with SBET. Got into the sell side prediction where I immediately put the break even on. I'm like almost until like halfway there throughout the trade. Here's the proof of me calling it out right there. I even show you the proof just so you don't think that I'm lying to you. And it was phenomenal. It was a great call out. It was 22 to 93 at the time, pre-market, and then it came down. All that, but Mr. Sicko, when would you be bullish? Well, for me to really be bullish here, I must see a full-on candle close above 28 bucks, and if that doesn't quite happen, then I don't quite care, and I don't really think it's getting simpler than that. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.